Rarely would I get the chance to make a food that can actually claim to have helped and shaped our world, like this recipe. And I was convinced by it, and I will make the argument for it. This is Ships Biscuit, also known as Hardtack. Ships on long voyages of discovery would require food that doesn't spoil easily to feed the crew and everyone on board, and Hardtack filled this requirement. It was used to be dipped in water or soup, so it fueled the crew in the sea. It was cheap and easy to make. All you need is flour, all-purpose flour. It can be whole wheat or brown flour, water, and sometimes salt. Some recipe calls for no salt. Don't add salt if you want to go hardcore. The amount we used is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which is about 250 grams, half a teaspoon of salt. Depending on the absorption rate of your flour, you will need from 3 1/4 cups of water to about half a cup of water, which is about 180 ml to 120. Make sure that you add the water slowly until your flour comes together. Knead it by hand for about 15 minutes. Keep it authentic, don't use a machine. The amount of water I used is about 3 1/4 cups, and here is about a few tablespoons left. Basically, you don't need to use the whole amount of water. Slowly add until it comes together. Cover and let it rest for at least half an hour. After resting comes shaping. To keep it historically accurate, we're gonna shape it as a circle and a square piece. Roll it using a rolling pin to a 1/2 inch thickness, which is about 1.5 centimeters. You can use a dough cutter to shape your dough, or just your favorite glass to get the perfect circle shape, just like that. Once the shape is done, it's time to punch in the holes. These holes are added to help the air escape, so make sure that you punch them all the way in, not just on the surface, without going through the other side. To shape the hole, you can use some matchsticks, or if you have a wooden stick that's round. Try to punch in the hole at random so they don't look mechanized. Try to give them that authentic handmade look. And now we bake. Set your oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees Celsius, and bake them for 30 minutes. Here's a quick example of shaping the hardtack or Ships Biscuit into a circle. Let's clean up. After 30 minutes, this is the result. Don't touch them. Leave them to rest for at least half an hour. Serving suggestion: you can serve them with soup and stew, and anything that can absorb the flavor. To store them, you can use any jar you have, and they will keep well for months. And that's how you make Ships Biscuit or hardtack. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your friends who like ancient food.